What is going on, Via Familia? How are you guys doing today? So guys, if you guys have not joined the family or subscribed yet, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let's get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. It's your girl Crystal, and I am back with another video. So guys, I am currently going to be leaving to do some errands, and my kids wanted to go to the park a little bit, so I'm going to take my girls to the park. After the park, I was going to go to Delta Sonic and do a car wash and clean out my car. Every time I go to Delta Sonic, I always clean my car. So, basically going to do a little prank on my daughter, Ariana. So every time we go like in the car wash, I like pull down the windows so the water will get into the car so I can spray her. And also like when we go past like the dryer part where it dries the car off, I usually go through there. When I usually go through there, I roll down the windows and it scares her. So today when I go through the car wash, I'm going to basically be pulling the windows down while the car is getting washed, and I want to get her reaction. So if you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share the videos, and turn post notifications on so you guys know when we see a video. Give this video, like I said, a thumbs up, and we're gonna be getting into the prank or reaction, as you want to call it. So basically, we're gonna get her reaction when we go through the car wash. So I'll see you guys there. So what? Be my baby. Why does that soap always smell like that? Damn, I'm breaking out. Look at this. Is that what? Is that what?
Stop playing.
You smell that?
It don't smell that bad.
It stink.
Dad, you got soap all over me. It's not funny.
It's not funny?
Why you got me wet?
My poor baby.
Don't do it again. My God.
This camera how it is.
It's not funny. Why you do that?
Because I told you I was going to get you one day, right?
Okay, just watch. Just watch.
Just watch one.
When I get a car, watch.
That's going to be years from now.
I'm about to be 13, 14, 15, 16. 3
You
years.
hear this? You hear this, guys?
And when I get a car, I'm
You hear this, Via Familia? You hear this?
I get all that.
You funny as heck.
Yo, see, my mom, I was in the car wash, right? And then she put her window down, and I'm soaking wet.
Well, soapy soap.
My mom, she just pranked me, telling mom, she put my window down, and I'm soaking wet from the soaking trap.
Alright, guys, let me go into this place. So, Via Familia, we just got home. It is super hot outside. Like, when I say hot, it's really hot. The girls got to go take a shower and get freshened up. And I will see you guys in the back in a bit. So guys, it's currently like about to be 12 a.m. right now. I'm currently sitting in the living room right now, just drinking some water in front of the fan just because I am super, super, super hot. It's super hot in my house. I think tomorrow I'm gonna end up going to buy AC because your girl cannot deal with the heat. But I'd rather deal with the heat than winter any day. So it's just really, really hot, and I'm miserable right now. So, like, currently my kids are sleeping as of right now. I'm the only one up, and my 13-year-old son is up too, but my other kids are sleeping right now. It's just that way, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog slash prank on my daughter. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want me to do more pranks, let me know down in the comment section. Just a quick little outro. I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. Please get me there, guys. Please, 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 please. I'm begging you. If you guys have not joined the family yet, subscribe to the channel. No further ado, it's your girl Crystal, and I'm signing out. I love you guys.